Amazon parcels, and these two I've already had for a few, well, like 2 weeks now. Just gonna go through this one quickly. This one is the Juve shirt. I bought this off. All this stuff here is off Amazon, so it's just to show everyone how to get bargains or cheap football shirts and not have to break the bank. For anyone who's on a budget looking for a bargain due to the current climate, whatever you want to call it. So I got the Juve. I think this one was about £22, which is very cheap. Anything I say, any shirt under 25, 30 is cheap, especially for a shirt like this. 25. So that was under 25. Got this. So it's an AC Milan, I believe, last season. Also, it's got a name set on the back, and getting this one was actually like £17, so a mega bargain just for a football shirt, especially a last season one. This was my first Puma shirt actually, so it's a bit different. And these three, I actually don't know what's in here. I know there's 2 football shirts and a pair of shorts. I've also got more parcels on the way, but I really cannot wait. They've been sitting here for about a week, just waiting for me to unbox them, so I might as well unbox them now, or unbag. Just get into this one. Okay, so the first one we have, you can see Puma Marseille. Can I open it? Yes. This one from Amazon. I bought this one for £13. So you don't have to break the bank to get such a nice football shirt. Obviously tags on, all that good stuff. Moisture management, regular fit, yada yada yada. Okay, so you can see that. Just the Marseille. It's got the anniversary dry cell. So it's only the front which has stripes on it. As I saw on the back, it doesn't. This is really nice just to wear with some sort of jeans, blue jeans, white Air Forces. One thing is, this is a size up, so this is double XL. I don't know how this is gonna fit me. It was a bargain, and if it doesn't fit me how I want it to, I'll probably just give it to someone or just wear it indoors. So that. Alright, I don't know what this is. Ooh, okay. So, Kappa, Napoli, the green, I believe last season, or the season before, I really don't know. One thing about me is I'm terrible at telling you which season they use the shirt in. You can see that. This is the cheaper version. Well, this was about £7.50 or £8. And this is like a fan shirt, so this is all, I think, printed in whatever. Napoli, just to wear around the house. Napoli, it's got the Kimbo on the back. Not bad. I do know that the authentic version sometimes does drop down in price, and you can find that if you want to. I've just bought this one as my first one just to see how it is, and I might just do I might get the other ones to do a comparison video. This is definitely the shorts. Yellow. Who can guess? Who can guess which team? I'm gonna have to get some shorts, a top to do full kit. Dortmund. Some Dortmund shorts. The reason I actually bought these is, one, I do play five-a-side football, and 2, they cost me £5 delivered. So there is bargains to be had on Amazon. So as you can see, all these shirts, so 25, 20, 12, 8 and 5. If I do the maths, it's probably what, 70 quid worth of stuff. And I've got 4 shirts and a pair of shorts for about 70 quid, which actually, if you do the maths, is actually quite cheap. I'm thinking of getting another Napoli shirt, the authentic one, and just doing a comparison, see how the materials are, see how they differ. But all in all, I'm happy with the stuff I have. Looks real nice. I'll do try on and stuff, and I'll see how it goes. But thank you for whoever watched this. Take care.